So let's talk about using coupons on Temu in 2025, and more importantly, how to get the most out of my exclusive coupon codes and QR links. If you're ready to unlock massive discounts and even score free gifts, this guide is all you need. Step 1. Use my link or QR code. Don't head straight to the Temu App Store page. Seriously, don't. The best way to start is by using my exclusive link in the description or pinned comment, or simply scanning the QR code you see on the screen. Why? Because this is where the perks kick in. My code gets you instant access to exclusive discounts, welcome bonuses, and sometimes even free gifts just for signing up. If you skip this step, you're leaving money on the table. Once you click the link or scan the QR code, you'll be redirected to download the app or head straight to the site with your bonus pre-applied. Step 2. Create your account. After using my link, you'll need to create a Temu account. It's super easy. Just sign up with your email, phone number, or a linked account like Google or Facebook. Here's the best part. Because you use my exclusive link or QR code, your welcome bonuses and discounts are already loaded into your account. You don't have to hunt for them. They'll be right there waiting for you. Step 3. Save even more with my coupon codes. Alright, now the fun part. Once you're in, check the coupons section in the app or on the website. You'll see tons of offers, but here's the trick. My exclusive codes can unlock even better deals. Use my code during checkout to stack it on top of other discounts. That's how you get the maximum savings, and it's honestly one of the easiest ways to shop smarter on Temu. Step 4. Apply my code at checkout. When you're ready to check out, don't forget to apply my coupon code. In most cases, it'll already be there if you've used my link, but double check just to be sure. Once it's applied, you'll see your total drop, sometimes by up to 90%. Temu's prices are already incredible, but adding my code takes the savings to another level. Step 5. Enjoy your savings and keep shopping. And that's it. You've just saved big using my exclusive codes and QR links. But here's the thing. Temu updates their deals and discounts frequently, so make sure to check back often. Keep using my codes for every purchase to keep the savings going. Whether it's your first order or your 50th, my links and codes are here to make sure you're getting the best deals possible. Using coupons on Temu isn't just about saving a little, it's about making the most of every single purchase. And with my exclusive links and codes, you'll always get access to the best deals, hidden discounts, and even free gifts. So use the link in the description or pinned comment, or scan the QR code on your screen and start saving today. Don't wait, those discounts aren't going to claim themselves.